One of China's most talked about humanoid robotics companies just went public. Unitree Robotics has officially made its stock market debut, and now traders are watching Unitree. Unitree is a Chinese robotics company best known for its quadruped robots and rapidly developing humanoid robots. But the bigger story isn't just robots that can walk, run, or dance. It's embodied AI. The idea is simple. Combine AI with sensors, motors, and robotics, and AI can move beyond software into machines that interact with the physical world. Factories, logistics, commercial services, and eventually homes could all become potential applications. That's why humanoid robotics has become one of the most closely watched AI themes. Unitree's public listing puts even more attention on the company and the broader humanoid robotics industry. For investors, it represents another way to follow the shift from AI on screens to AI in the physical world. And now, UNITREE Futures are available on SuperEx. Trade long or short based on your view of the market. Search UNITREE on SuperEx and start trading today.